Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and today I'm gonna be doing a skincare routine for you guys. It's the nighttime. I'm taking my makeup off and I decide to do a little skincare routine for y'all. So I'm gonna start off by cleaning my makeup off using my Neutrogena makeup wipe. I'm gonna be using two plies, but I like to start with one first and then going with the other. I have a lot of makeup on my face, but this wipe is very good with taking it off. I'm not using the second piece, and I also have makeup on my neck, so I'm gonna be cleaning there too. Next, I'm going to be cleansing my face with this facial bar shea butter soap, and I got this one from a hotel I stayed at over the summer in Jamaica. Ever since I've been using it, I've seen the difference with my skin. I love the way it feels and looks, so I absolutely love it. I wish I could find it somewhere, maybe on Amazon. I will keep checking until I do find it. Next, I'm going to go in with my St. Ives Fresh Skin Scrub to scrub my face. I absolutely love this stuff. I think I found the travel size in Dollar General and I tried it, and I went on Amazon and bought the big size because I absolutely love how well it scrubs my face, like how good my skin feels after using it. Now I'm going to go in with my Botanical Republic Restore Youth Serum. Not only this stuff make my skin look vibrant, but it makes it look refreshed and youthful. So I like to just squeeze some of it into my hand and just pat it onto my face. After patting it on, like pressing it into my skin, then I like to just rub the rest of it in. And that's all I do to my face, guys, before going to bed after taking my makeup off. And just look how flawless my skin looks. I really think the magic is in this serum, so definitely make sure you check out the description box for the link for it, and also make sure that you have a good scrub for your face, because you definitely need to scrub that dead skin off if you want to have flawless skin like me. I must also note that the serum smells so amazing. It felt like I was in paradise for a minute. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.